skills. Today for our lesson we are going to be working on true and false statements. Now we've done this before with addition, but now we need to work at it with subtraction. So let's get started. First, we're going to start with the problem of the day. So let's take a look at it. 10 school days have passed. Underline that guy right there. Carrie had homework on 7 of these days. How many days did she not have homework? So if I have 10 school days, Carrie had homework on 7 of these days, what would my problem be? So let me just start writing this down. Know if I have 10. Okay. So I'm trying to figure out how many days she did not have homework. So that means I need to find the difference between 7 and 10. So if I do it's 10 minus 7, I should be able to get the right answer here. So let's try to figure this out. I'm going to draw the biggest number when we do subtraction, and that's going to be 10. So I'm going to draw 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I'm going to take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And that should be left with how many days that Carrie has not had homework, which should be 3. Awesome. Alright, so we're going to investigate some stuff here. We're going to look to see if this problem is going to be true or false. It says place 8 objects in the bottom box. Okay, so I'm going to draw 8 down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Place 5 objects into the top left. And place 4 objects into the top right. Write the numbers in the blank below and determine if the statement is true or false. So I know that when I do subtraction like this, I start with the whole right on that side. So the whole is going to go right there. The part is going to go right there, and I should be left with a part right there because it goes whole minus part equals part for subtraction. So my whole on the bottom is 8. My part I'm going to do is, let's say we just do 4. So I'm going to take this guy and go right there. And then the last part we have right there is going to be this part, which should go right there, which is 5. Alright, 8 minus 4 equals 5. Let's try to see if this is true or false. We're going to draw a picture on the bottom right here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to take away 4, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And then my answer is left right here. Now hold on. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 left. So this problem is going to actually be false. Because 8 minus 4 does not equal 5. It equals 4. Let's do another one here. There are 10 apples in a tree. 6 apples fall out of the tree. There are 7 apples left in the tree. Determine if this is true or false. So, we need to take a look at this problem up here. I'm going to bring it down here a little bit because I'm going to draw my picture. But I need to draw 10 apples first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cool. Now the next step is I need to take away 6 of these apples. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I should be left with 7, as they say. Let's take a look at this guy. I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm left with 4. So this problem is definitely false because 10 minus 6 does not equal 7. It equals 4. So in math, statements can be true or false. A true statement is going to be correct. So remember, a true statement is going to be something that you can prove that makes sense. So just like the one that we have right here, 9 minus 4 equals 5. They have 9 dinosaurs up. It took away 4 of them. And there's going to be 5 left. So that's a true statement because we can prove it. On the bottom, a false statement is incorrect. So if something is false, then you can't really prove that one. Just like saying 8 minus 3 equals 1. If you have 8 and you take away 3, you're left with all of these guys right here. Definitely not 1, so this is 100% false. So for guided practice today, boys and girls, we're only going to do 2 of these, and I want you guys to try to do the rest. So teachers at school, you guys can pause right now and talk about these ones, or you guys can move right on. But let's get started on a couple of them. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do 8 minus 4 equals 5. I'm going to do that on a separate page. Let's solve this one. So I have 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 minus 1, 2, 3, 4 should be left with 1, 2, 3, 4. This problem is going to be false. Because like we solved before, 8 minus 4 is not 5. 8 minus 4 is 4. Let's go back up and find another one. Ooh, this is a tricky one. Let's try this guy. Number 2, 9 minus 0. So 9 minus 0 equals 0. So let's take a look at it. First, we have to draw the biggest number when we do subtraction. So we're going to draw 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we're going to take away 0. So 9 minus 0. I don't have to do anything. Leave it like there. So my answer should be 9, not 0. So this answer is also going to be false. So, boys and girls, this is what you guys are going to do today. Students at home, you're going to complete pages 191 and 194. Students in class, you guys can work on some of these pages right there. But today we got a fun activity for you. All right, boys and girls, have a great day.